Hi everyone, my name is Gautam Vankudre. I got selected through QSpider. I joined QSpider on December 24. QSpider helped me a lot to get my dream job and guided me throughout the hiring process. Talking about the trainers, all the trainers are very kind in nature and supportive. They helped me throughout the course, and if I get stuck in any topic, they used to solve it. No matter how many times I went to them, they solve the doubts in a pleasant and cool manner. Also, the mock and presentations conducted by the trainers helped me to build my communication skill and be technically strong. Talking about the environment of QSpider, it is very friendly, and also the other faculties are friendly in nature. So I am thankful for for all the trainers and the QSpider to give the opportunity to start my career.